Hi kids, this is teacher Vidya. My aim is to make you all to describe the rise of the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League and their goals for self-rule. What were some of the demands of the earlier Congress? More representation for Indians, reduced taxes, cut in military spending, increased agriculture and industry, and freedom of speech. Why did the Congress split? The Congress split because they had two factions, moderate and extremist leaders with different thoughts on the national movements. How did the Congress reunite? When Congress reunited in 1915 so that together they would have more power. What was All Muslim League and what did they support? A political party that worked to make sure Muslims are represented in Indian affairs. Instead of working separately in 1916, the Congress and League decided to work together through the Lucknow Pact. Indian nationalists protested against unequal treatment and not being allowed representation in the government. The 1878 Vernacular Press Act not being allowed to carry firearms, and finally the partition of Bengal. It came to be known as the Swadesh or the Vande Mataram movement. Moderate leaders were W.C. Banerjee, Ramesh Chandra Dutt, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Extremist leaders were Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Balagangadhara Tilak. Swaraj was the idea of self-rule. The founder of Swaraj Party was C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. India breaking away from and acting independently of Britain. There was difference of opinions within the Congress as there were two beliefs. The moderates believed in peaceful transaction with the British, while the extremists felt that violent means and strong action was only way to achieve their goals. Let us learn about the effect of mass nationalism and the role of Gandhiji in the national movement. Mass nationalism meant that more people were protesting and taking part in actions against British rule. Mass nationalism was important because it showed the British that the movement for nationalism was reaching far beyond political organizations and involving people from all sections of society. It showed that nationalism was a popular idea valid by many people. It caused concern for the British who worried about the growing desire for independence. Who was Gandhiji and what was his role in the national movement? Gandhiji was a well known barrister who worked to end racial discrimination against Indians in South Africa. Indians, he was a great leader of the national movement. What was the Rowlatt Satyagraha? The Rowlatt Satyagraha was a protest against the oppressive Rowlatt Act, which limited freedom of speech and imposed harsh rules. How did World War I and the Russian Revolution change the Indian struggle for independence? The World War I and Russian Revolution inspired Indian leaders to rethink about the British rule and overthrew the British in a similar way as the Russians. Gandhi believed in the philosophy of Ahimsa and Satyagraha to protest in a peaceful manner. World War I led to rise in taxes and the price of goods. Indians were sent abroad to fight for the British. In 1917, he protested in Champaran to increase rights of farmers. In 1918, he led a mill workers' strike, encouraged people to buy Swadesh goods through peaceful satyagraha. Gandhiji did not react in a violent way and with his belief in ahimsa continued to protest in a peaceful manner through satyagraha. We may have heard about issues in other countries, elections, wars, protests. These events might spark our curiosity and lead us to know more about it. We will learn about the Khilafat movement and events that happened in Turkish Empire outside of India but had a big effort on Indian policies. What was the Khilafat movement? The Khilafat movement was started by two brothers who protested against the humiliating treaty that the Sultan of Turkey had to sign with the British. What was the non cooperative movement? In 1920, the Indian Congress demanded Swaraj and Gandhi gave the call for a non-cooperation movement lead to complete boycott of British goods and educational institutions. What were some of the actions taken to protest British rule? People gave up their government jobs and surrendered their titles to join the movement, such as Rabindranath Tagore. People started to spin their own cloth known as Gadi. Bala Gangadhar Tilak raised the slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." Peaceful protest which turned violent, Gandhiji suspended the non cooperation movement. Thank you so much, kids.